Take a ride in the 2019 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.